Hi, this is Suman Jain, and in this video, I'm going to explain you about what exactly is Canva and why you wanted to explore Canva and how Canva will help you to design some graphics for your work. All right. So Canva is nothing but it is a platform where non-graphic designers can come and design some of their graphic stuff like posters. They can design Facebook post or some social media post or logos, or they can design their website mock-ups. All these things can be designed on Canva, where even if you don't have any pro skills. All right, so today I will be take you over what exactly is inside the Canva and what is the possibilities. All right, so what would happen over here is you would see here, this is how once you click and create an account, which is free of cost, where you can join for free and create an account, right? And after that, you can see here, you can create designs for a lot of things. You can create presentations, Facebook posts, you can create logos, you can create Instagram posts. There's tons of things which you can basically do it, right? And this is where you would be exploring what like end of possibilities you would be seeing it, right? So I would be taking over how basically if you are establishing online, right? So you need to know that you need to have, the first important thing is you need to have your logos, right? You need to have your brand colors. At the same time, you also need to have your brand fonts. Okay, so if you are new to the Canva and if you are don't have any knowledge about it, not a problem, because I would be sharing you how to do it. Okay, so here you can see here, if you can upload a logo, one logo, because if it is a free account you can upload one logo, and if it is a paid account you can upload a number of logos, right? And brand colors which depict your brand, right? So you need to have one of your brand colors, and you can see here we have a lot of other palettes. So with the free version you have an option of creating one palette. So now you would be wondering, how would I get these kind of palettes, right, as per your brands? So it with Canva will it has a tool which is called color palettes. Okay, and in the descriptions I would be giving all this links where you can explore and see what exactly is the colors, right? So you can actually type a color name or theme or a keyword. So for example, if I type jungle, okay, and you would see I have tons of information, and when I click on asking it to show results, and it gives me more information, right? So it means that these all colors go hand in hand when I'm designing one of the posts or anything I will have to design it. Okay, so you can see here all these colors blend really very cool. So it gives you an idea that yes, this particular keyword has these many information. And again, you can search anything, like you can search when you're searching aqua, right? You would get all this information over here, and you would see here what's happening here. Okay, and definitely it can be anything. It can be a color, it can be theme, it can be keywords. You can put over here and check the information, and you would find your colors. And after that, what you need to do is you just need to click on one of the colors whichever you will like. Okay, and the second thing which you need to do is you just need to copy this code. So what I basically do is I click on this. Okay, I click on and then I just copy it. I just scroll down, okay, and I try to create a palette over here. So it's as simple as that. Can you see? Right? So it is as simple as that. So I'm just going to create this one palette, okay, and you can see here it's quite faster, right? It's definitely very cool. Okay, and what I have to name them, what I do is basically I don't name it anything. I just go and copy it and just name it. Okay, so it becomes for me very easy to understand what particular keyword I have mentioned over here. And next important thing you need to understand is your brand font. Okay, so there are certain fonts which you can definitely upload if you have for your brands, right? You can download it from Google Fonts or the fonts, or you can buy from Creative Market, all right? And you can upload it over here because you have an option of uploading the font over here. All right, so this is one basic understandings of brand kit, and after that we just go and just check the information which is inside the Canva. Okay, so here when you see here, I have just clicked on this image. Okay, and you would see here we have all this information. So if I've clicked on this Facebook post, you would see here we have the ready-made templates. Okay, you can use it, any of these templates. They are pretty very well designed. All right. So basically you can design it or you can design from the scratch, and you can see here we have photos. Okay, and you can see all this keyword. So here also you just need to enter a keyword. Okay, I just put on happy family. Okay, and you can see here we have the image, the pictures, we do have the cutouts. Okay, so I like something like this. Okay, so can you see here? Yeah. Okay, so when you see here the just a photo, okay, I have just updated over here, and I do have all the other features like effects, filter, adjust, crop and flip, and I can have and go with little of transparency. Okay, I can definitely lock this image so that whenever I'm creating something like an overlay on this picture don't get affected, right? And now we have the elements which gives an option of like if you wanted to search some numbers, or so you can see here you have a lot of things. Okay, so when I go and check these elements, you have grids, you have shapes. Okay, you can see here I have the grids. Okay, can you see this? How cool is this, right? Yeah, I'm just placing here and there, and you can see here how importantly the elements was playing around, right? And we do have the stickers, we have chats, we have gradient features, we have lines, we have a lot of things where you can explore. Okay, so you can see here we have plenty of things which has been added. You have duo color avatars, pastels. So you have a lot of things which you can explore and use into your creativity. Okay, and I can use this, and definitely you can see here what I do is I'll position the back. Can you see this? It's so pretty, right? So this is how we'll be doing and designing on Canva. Okay, so you can see here we can write the text. You can see we can add the music, we can add the videos. Okay, and we can also add the backgrounds. Okay, and you can definitely upload any of the images or your own videos. All right, so you can do a lot of things on Canva. I believe this video will help you just an overview on what exactly is Canva and how as a beginner would be using Canva as their tool in order to design some of the graphics which they use in and out into their daily life. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new to this channel, what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel, get notified, click on the bell icon, get notified, because I create a lot of videos and which gives you tips and strategies on digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay cool. Bye bye.